Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 12-inch ceramic cooktop. This is going to be so great because you can use it inside and outside, which we're going to do here in a minute. But first, I'm going to show you these pieces that came with it. You did get some mounting hardware if you wanted to inset this inside of a shelf somewhere or on a counter. And you got these feet, so that way you can have it on any sort of surface and it's more of a non-slip grip. So we're going to flip this over and insert in the feet, and then we're going to put it to work. So to insert these, this simply goes inside this hole, and then it's going to take some pressure once you get it down in there to make sure it goes. I'm just using the back of this to apply the pressure, and then you've got your feet in. So we'll do that, and then we'll go turn it on. Now I've got my cooktop outside. This just plugs into a standard 110 outlet, turns on right away. Now these do have really nice big knobs, so you don't have to touch any screens or anything. It's got 9 different levels that you just turn it on, and then you let it go up to whatever heating you're wanting to do. I just have some water in here. So this does show, so this is your top burner and there is your lower burner. And as you can see, it's starting to heat up already, turning red. So now we're gonna let this go and we will boil some water, and then we're gonna take it inside and make some eggs. This is a really nice, it's got 1200 watts on one side and 800 watts on the other. So it is a nice power surface that you can use for all sorts of cooking. Now I've only had this going for like a minute or two, and it is already steaming. You'd see the bubbles forming down at the bottom. So this thing is heating up quick. Now let's go put it to the test with some food in it. Now I've got this plugged inside. This would be great if you had a bunch of stuff going and you just needed an extra stovetop. Well, we're gonna put some eggs in here. And I mean, you can tell it's already hot in the pan. So this will cook them up, and it'll do a great job, as it is just so small, because it is just 12 inches this way, that it'll slide in a lot of different cabinets that you can use to store it. So it's nice and condensed. I really like how it's got the big knobs on here that are easy to turn. Now this will auto turn off to be able to see, like if you leave it on for so long, depending on what level of heat you have it on, it will turn off automatically if you did forget it. So that is a really nice feature that this little stovetop has. It's a great little stovetop to have for any home.